Dear 10th standard student, welcome to Edu Allrounder channel. Today we are going to deal with Indian climate objective type questions. First I will show you only questions, then at the end I will tell you all the answers. Check your preparation, how much you have read, you are able to answer how much questions correctly. First, India has dash type of climate. Here choices are given: temperature, tropical, humid, extreme. Which type of climate India has? Next, the season from mid-September to November is called winter season, summer season, retreating monsoon season, rainy season. Here from mid-September to November, fifth season. Dash is the coldest month of India. April, February, May, January. Which is the coldest month of India? Convectional rain occurring locally in some parts of the country is known as dash. Convectional rain occurring locally in some parts of the country is known as dash. The main feature of the monsoon type of climate is the main feature of the monsoon type of climate is cyclone, monsoon winds, cyclonic wind, Andhis. Here four choices are given: cyclone, monsoon winds, cyclonic wind, Andhis. The heaviest rainfall occurs at dash in Meghalaya. You have to know the which place, the name of the place you have to write. India received only 13% of annual rainfall during dash season. In which season India receives only 13% of annual rainfall? The highest recorded temperature of 49.4 degrees centigrade is at dash in Rajasthan. You have to write the name of the place. The rainfall decreases towards the eastern slopes of Western Ghats as it lies in the rainfall decreases towards the eastern slopes of Western Ghats as it lies in the dash. The retreating monsoon season is also known as dash. The retreating monsoon season is also known as dash. The near Kargil, the dash near Kargil has recorded the lowest temperature, that is minus 60 degrees Celsius. You have to know the name of place. Dash in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan receives the least amount of rainfall. Dash in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan receives the least amount of rainfall. Which place? 13. Dash frequently occur in Bay of Bengal during retreating monsoon season. Dash frequently occurs in Bay of Bengal during retreating monsoon season. Dash in Karnataka is beneficial to coffee crop. What is beneficial to coffee crop? Are you remembering? The word monsoon is derived from Arabic word dash. The word monsoon is derived from Arabic word dash. 16th question. The dash branch causes heavy rainfall when it strikes against the hills of Meghalaya. Them alladu the The dash branch causes heavy rainfall when it strikes against the hills of Meghalaya. The winter season is from dash. Right? When winter season comes in India, the duration. Areas with low rainfall means less than dash centimeter. Low rainfall means less than dash centimeter. You have to write the number of centimeter. During summer season, the sun's rays fall vertically over the dash hemisphere. Which hemisphere you have to write? Convectional rain during summer season in Kerala called. Convectional rain during summer season in Kerala called dash. There are different names in different areas for convectional rain. In Kerala, what we call? You have to write. Now we will go through the answers. India has dash type of climate. India has tropical type of climate. The season from mid-September to November is called retreating monsoon season. Retreating monsoon season. Dash is the coldest month of India. Dash is the coldest month of India. January. January is the coldest month of India. Convectional rain occurring locally in some parts of the country is known as Andhis in Uttar Pradesh, Kala Baisakhi in West Bengal. Like that, you have to write the name. Here we have not given any choice. If they have given choice like Andhi, Kala Baisakhi, you have to write, recognize and write the choices. The main feature of the monsoon type of climate is, that is B, monsoon winds. Monsoon winds is the main feature of the monsoon type of climate. The heaviest rainfall occurs at Mawsynram in Meghalaya. See the answer, Mawsynram. India received only 13% of annual rainfall during retreating monsoon season. During retreating monsoon season. The highest recorded temperature of 49.4 degrees Celsius is at Ganganagar in Rajasthan. The name of the place? Ganganagar in Rajasthan. The rainfall decreases towards the eastern slopes of Western Ghats as it lies in the rain shadow area. Lies in the rain shadow area. The retreating monsoon season is also known as northeast monsoon season. Also known as northeast monsoon season. The Dras near Kargil has recorded the lowest temperature. The lowest temperature is recorded at the place Dras. The name of the place is Dras. Roili in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan receives the least amount of rainfall. The place name is Roili. 13. Tropical cyclones frequently occur in Bay of Bengal during retreating monsoon season. Tropical cyclones. 14th. Coffee blossom in Karnataka is beneficial to coffee crop. Which is beneficial to coffee crop? Coffee blossom. The word monsoon is derived from Arabic word mausim. See the spelling? Mausim. The word monsoon is derived from Arabic word mausim. The Bay of Bengal branch causes heavy rainfall when it strikes against them hills of Meghalaya. Which branch? The Bay of Bengal branch causes heavy rainfall when it strikes against the hills of Meghalaya. The winter season is from December to February. In India, the winter season is from December to February. Areas with low rainfall means less than 50 centimeter. There is one spelling mistake there, that is areas, AREAS. With low rainfall means less than 50 centimeter. During summer season, the sun's rays fall vertically over the northern hemisphere. Note here, northern hemisphere. Convectional rain during summer season in Kerala called mango showers. What it is called in Kerala? Mango showers. Dear students, regularly watch our channel. Those who have not subscribed, subscribe and take the benefit of our variety of videos which really help you in the preparation of your exam. Thank you for watching. We will meet again with another video.